Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be creating two cards featuring a stamp set from Make Forte called Thankful for Everything. I will also use a pattern paper also from Make Forte, and that one is in collaboration with Jess Francisco. And I think this pattern paper, or whatever I should call it, is one of a kind. I have never seen anything like it before. You can see here that it has all of these already watercolored panels in rainbow colors as well as solid colors, just in an ombre way. And it also comes with sentiments that coordinate with the colors of the cardstock there. And I am so excited for this one, and I will be using it for my card here. So you could see previously that I started off by stamping my first panel, and I will do the same thing here with this large reef. And this is really big. It will cover an entire A2 size card front, and I believe that you cannot fit everything on top of it. So this will be great for offsetting like I'm doing in this video, or for creating, if you want a whole image, to create it on a larger card, like a 6x6 card. I think it would fit nicely. So here you can see our two panels, and I will show you a little bit later my color combination and how I created that one. The thing I will do now is go around and fussy cut all of this out, and I will take an X-Acto knife here from Sinsek and cut out the center piece as well. I just wanted to have this look on my card and to be able to pop it up a little bit when we were done with this. And I wanted to have some shimmer cardstock in the back here, so I had some contrasting colors between my white panel and this pattern, and I will have it up in the left corner what this paper is called that I will be using, and it's also from Make Forte, and it's really beautiful, and you will see how nicely it will fit on top. And also you can see that I messed up my stamping, so I just turned my paper around and I stamped it again on top, because I shifted it when I had it in my MISTI the first time I tried to stamp it down. I pop this up with some foam tape, and then I will put this to the center of this panel. And when I'm happy with the placement here, I will go ahead and cut off the exit so everything fits nicely. And I love using long scissors for this. It really makes it super easy to cut straight. I pop this up as well with some foam adhesive, and to make these two cards coordinate with each other, I use one of the strips with the sentiments, thinking of you, having it on the back side, and I will also pop the center off just to make everything leveled and nice. Otherwise I think it could have, if you had put it through the mail, it maybe had been ruined when the recipient got it, so I was careful there. And now I'm using a vellum strip here and a clear embossing ink, or embossing ink, clear sticky ink I should say. It's called Color Hive, also from Make Forte. I've really been loving using this. And you can see how perfectly this white embossing powder from Reindeer together with that Color Hive clear embossing pad turned out. I just wrapped it around our card base, so I didn't have any adhesive to fibble around with on the front of our card. And here you can see a close-up of our two cards. And to finish this off, I will create a flower in the same color combination as I used for the first one. So here you can see the colors I used, and here is a close-up look. And when I did this, I actually created this flower first. This was my test run with my color combination to see if I liked it. And I saved it, and then I decided at the end here, I thought I was finished with my card. I'm so sorry that I'm a little bit off camera. As I said, this was my test run and I was a little bit messy, and I didn't have my cardstock straight underneath my camera when I did this. So I think it's a little bit better now when I'm doing the greenery here. So I wasn't too careful when I did this. I went around the image and I tried out this color combination, and I was happy at the first try. And here you can see how it looks when I had fussy cut it out. I will use a white pen, Posca pen. You can use, it's nearly the same thing as I'm using here. This is just from my local shop. And I'm creating some interest to the center of my card there with my white pen. That is just something I like to do. You can skip that part if you're not into it, but I really think it makes a big difference in the finished project, and I think you can see it here on screen as well. So if you like these two products, please visit Make A Forte's website. I will have links down below for all the products that I used in this video. And until next time, I hope you have a great day and Merry Christmas. Bye!